Good and great is going to happen now because Jesus Christ Himself is moving among us. He is the one who gives answer of all our prayers. He is walking among us, so we all can expect something great now, and all our prayers are going to be answered. Today, the Lord gives a wonderful promise. Isaiah chapter 61, verse 7. The double portion of honor to replace past shame. That is the message. All of you may read it together. Those who are going through the shame or dishonor and disgrace, you are going to be blessed right now, and your disgrace will be removed because their shame was double and dishonor was proclaimed as their lot. Therefore, they shall possess a double portion, everlasting joy shall be theirs. So those who are going through now shameful situation or disgrace in their life, they are going to be honored, and your shame will be turned into fame. So the Lord gives this promise to you and to me, double portion of honor to replace your past shame. Do you believe in it? If you believe, something great is going to happen now. This promise is going to be fulfilled when you believe in Jesus. There are many religions in this world, and all these religions have faith in God. But what is the speciality to believe in Jesus Christ? Though people belong to different religions and worship God differently, but when they start praying through Jesus or having faith in Jesus also, that time something great is promised. For example, Galatians chapter 3, verse 26. Through faith, all people become children of God with right. All are children of God, but they may not have the fulfillment of the promises that God has given. That is being fulfilled as the promise. Verse 27 says, Galatians chapter 3, verse 27, those who believe in Jesus, these promises are going to be fulfilled immediately. As many of you as were baptized into Christ, they are clothed themselves with Christ. Then verse 29 says, when you are clothed with Jesus Christ,